Hey everyone, I'm going to tell you about the Squeeze and Spray bottle. This is something that comes with all Permagreen Triumphs. It's a little spot sprayer, brackets right onto the machine there, covers your hard to reach spots like landscaping beds, tight areas you can't get to with the machine, covers about 500 square feet. It's very handy. I'll also show you how to fill it up. Come over here. See, we got this drain valve down here, and what we want to do is twist off this cap, open this drain valve, pull the throttle, and let the liquid from the tanks fill this Squeeze and Spray bottle up. And then from there, this is really important, when you're putting this back on, don't twist this too tight. It just takes a little snug fit on there. You should be good to go. If you need to order one, go to permagreen.com. We got plenty in stock. We'll get out to you right away.